Meaning of epistemic.
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 Epistemic. The term epistemic refers to knowledge, beliefs, or justifications related to knowledge. It is often used in philosophical contexts to refer to the study of knowledge and the nature of belief. In everyday language, it may be used to describe the way people form and evaluate their beliefs. Epistemic considerations are important in understanding how people arrive at certain conclusions and why they hold certain beliefs. Thus, it is an important concept for understanding the relationship between human beings and the world around them.